Well, hello again. Been hard at it on the 36 Ford. We're modifying a few things on it. We've got a new bed, and no, they don't just bolt together. There's a lot of measuring, a lot of figuring things out. We've actually modified this one. We put some 1940 truck stake pockets on it. And I think we're going to change some stuff here on the hinges. We're going to put 40 hinges on here also, and then run a nice chrome rod through there. That'll be kind of pretty. Anyways, shop's coming along nicely. Working on the doors right now, and they're doing good. Got into this truck, and I think I'm 99.9% sure this thing had a really soft roll one time. If you could only be a fly on the wall in the lives of these old cars and trucks, this side has been an absolute bear to get things to line up. And then I started realizing that this roof was caved in pretty good, and when I got it, it was beat out with a sledgehammer, it looked like, and there was just a ton of Bondo on it. So we shrunk all the metal down and making this door fit a little bit nicer. But we're going to do a few things on the bed, little custom touches, and I'll show you those when I get to them. Kind of round things out, let's say. We got a little idea going in the back here, but she's coming along nicely. So, all right, YouTube. You have a great day.